Hi everyone, today I'd like to show you the basic operation of the Stokke Xplory. This is the 2014 version 4 with the upgraded chassis. In our previous video we showed you the unboxing and how to set it up. So if you haven't seen that video, please check it out in the link below. So the first thing we're going to look at is how to adjust the handle height to be at an optimum level for whoever's going to be pushing the stroller. So you have the white function button. This one lifts up, you can go down, you can go all the way up. I myself would probably stop about here. This white function button underneath, this one you push down, you can come up and stop at different levels, right at the top or part of the way. To adjust the Xplory for the child, for their seating, you can adjust the height of where the baby's sitting. So underneath there is a white function button under here. So you can flip this one out and you can come down the chassis, or you can go up to the top and lift that up. Lock that back into place to hold it secure. The buttons here on either side, you push these ones down, so baby's in the sleep position. You can come into the rest position or all the way upright to active. Clicks in there. Then you have adjustments on your footrest. So you have a button under here, white function button again. Comes all the way up for smaller legs. Down to, there we are, for the longer legs. Now if you have this at the bottom like this, you can take the seat off with this footrest attached. If you haven't got it at the bottom position, you will need to take the footrest off to change the seat around. To go forward facing, you want to find the buttons, white function buttons on either side. Squeeze those together and you can come up and thread it around. Turn it to the forward facing position. You line it up, click it into position and make sure that the wee button on here turns green. To set your Xplory up for a newborn, you need to turn it to parent facing mode, so that was the white buttons on either side. Click it out, put it back around the handle and line it up and click it into position. You want it in the sleep position, so you've got the full recline. The seat is too deep for a baby, you would need a flatter surface for a newborn. So you need to get the infant insert, which has a removable wedge on the back to be adjustable. So to fit this one in, we'll just move the bumper bar out of the way so you can see clearly. You need to come to your buckles. They're quite hard to undo, which is great. Stop the toddlers escaping. Remove the top part on both. There. Let's take them out. Slot this into position. And you want to thread through the different parts of the straps, the holes on the side. It holds it into position. The back, this one's one on this side, protectors back in. Just want to thread those through. Attach it to the correct side, clips into the buckle, same for the other one, thread it through the padding, protection there, clip it onto the buckle, and all together. Now you have a nice shallow, nearly flat position there for baby. And you're in the parent facing mode, so you can see them very clearly and keep an eye on what's going on. The hood has several adjustments. The material is UV resistant. Pop it up and then up fully. Has a visor that just pops out here at the front to offer extra protection. And a large mesh window at the back for ventilation. So there's a zip on either side, either one, pull it all the way around and open it up, and you've got a large mesh panel there for ventilation, or if it's forward facing so that you can peek on the child to see what they're doing. Zip it closed. We'll have a look at the mosquito net. So in rearward position, you want to find the zip at the bottom, slip that over your handlebar, pull it round behind the canopy, down into position so it seals around. You can zip that closed over around the handlebar there. Keep all the bugs out. Rain cover here, so you want to have up the zip once again, goes at the bottom. Over the footrest and the handlebar. The top comes up and over the canopy here. Around and tuck everything in. And then do the same thing, zip it around the handlebar. We do have a little window here to peek in now. I'll just pull this up so you can see here clearly. You can then roll that up, and there's a little toggle here to hold it open. So you can see in, see out, get to baby as you need to, and provide some ventilation in there. So now we'll look at the brake on the Xplory. It has a foot brake, so the red button down the bottom, that's on, pram won't move. Step on it to turn it off. You can see here the wheels are locked in to a straight position, they won't turn. This is best for like at the playground on grass or mulch. You can unlock them, just push down on these two on either side, and then you'll see that the pram moves easily when you turn it. So the last thing on the Xplory to look at is the two-wheel mode. So to put it into two-wheel mode, you want to find your button under here. So this top one pulls towards you, this one lifts up. Use your foot on this button here. Just flick it forward. This is particularly useful if you want to take the pram up a flight of stairs or over rough terrain like sand. You can just pull along behind you. To go back to four-wheel mode, same button at the top, and just flick the wheels back out and click it into position. Thank you for watching my operations video of the Stokke Xplory. I'll be doing more reviews in the future, so please subscribe to my channel so you can check them out.